Hello everybody and welcome to another video. So today I was inspired to do a clean with me video. It's a mess. We have been cooking the past 2 nights and I think tonight we might have a light dinner, so we're probably not going to be cooking that much. So maybe I can get some of these dishes out. I'm going to be putting some dishes away, washing dishes, cleaning up the counters. We made a huge mess last night because we tried to make onion petals. We got this batter mix from the commissary to do like a blooming onion, but we decided to not do the blooming onion because you need like a deep fryer and we don't have a deep fryer like that. So we just did the petals and there's like batter everywhere. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start cleaning the kitchen. I will set you guys up somewhere. So if you are interested in this kind of video, if you need some inspiration to clean yourself, just go ahead and keep on watching and I will go ahead and start cleaning the kitchen.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
so I got a lot of the kitchen done. I had to clear out the sink to put more dishes in, so I have more dishes to do, but I can just do that later. But yeah, as you can tell, we had so many dishes to do. It was crazy. We have just been cooking at home, so like I have a horde of stuff everywhere. We're not going through it fast enough. Microwave area is stuffed with veggie straws, chips, burrito stuff, oatmeal for breakfast. That's my little coffee nook. This is empty. I'm gonna figure out a way to reuse them. I need to make these little muffins. Hi, Daphne. There's my dog. This is for a project that I'm going to do tomorrow. So this is the pile of paint stuff that I have made. My lighter. I need to go light my candle. I just washed these dish towels. The stove is all wiped down though, so that looks so much better. And these are the blooming onion things that we got. They have recipes and directions on the back though, so I think I'm going to cut those off and keep them. But yeah, this has like a whole thing behind it. So if you can find this at your commissary, if you're a military person, I'd get one. It was pretty fun. It was something cool to do for dinner, but I'm going to cut this up and then keep that. So I'm done with my wipes. I wiped everything down. I think I'm going to clean up the dining room a little bit. So we'll go in there to get the lights on. I can't figure out these lights. Okay, yeah, so we'll go in the dining room next. Alright, you guys ready for a quick do of the living room? Because that is where I'm headed next. It's really bad. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it for me today. I ended up wiping down, doing as many dishes as I could, and I did not sweep yet the kitchen, but that is going to be what I do next. And then I did pick up the dining room a little, so everything looks a little bit more organized. And yeah, the living room is a whole nother mess. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with those candle holders, and there's a bunch of stuff in these boxes that I want to hang, so we're gonna go through that this week. Little Daphne, she's there. I don't know if she wants to go to bed or what. You want to go to bed? So yeah, anyways, this is just stuff that I need to bring to my room. That's my backpack that I probably will leave up here and just take what I need and go downstairs. I think I want to rearrange what's in my nook. It's like a office nook type of thing, so I think I actually want to rearrange that. It's pretty early in the night. It started, it's like 6:09, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and see if I can get some of that started. I'm not that hungry. It's also raining. If you can see, it's pretty gloomy outside. That's the sky. It's like gray, but it's still light because I guess the sun doesn't set till like, what, 7:30? So yeah, tomorrow I'm definitely gonna sweep and vacuum, and that'll be it for cleaning the top half of the house. I have a whole bottom half that I need to clean as well. So I'll go ahead and work on that this week. I still have, what is today, the 5th? I don't know when I will be going back to work next, so I have a lot of free time on my hands. But I feel a lot better that at least a little bit of this chaos is picked up. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and probably work on my nook and see what clean with me parts I can get up for you soon. So yeah, you guys should just keep on cleaning. There's nothing else for us to do, so what else is there to do besides clean? It's pouring now, so alright, I'm going to sign off. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little video of clean with me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!